What if the knowledge of the gods was hidden from humanity? Forever. Locked away in the annals of time. Whispered only in the shadows of forgotten empires. For millennia we've looked to the stars, sensing there's more to our existence than what we're told. We feel a pull, a deep, resonant echo of a power we once understood. The ancient Sumerians etched it onto clay tablets. The Egyptians painted it on the walls of their sacred tombs, and mystics throughout history guarded it with their lives. This isn't just mythology. It's a forgotten inheritance. This is the forbidden knowledge of the godsy hidden teachings of humanity. These teachings speak of a universe not made of separate parts, but a single, interconnected consciousness. A cosmic web where every thought, every emotion, and every action sends ripples across reality itself. The ancients didn't just believe this. They livet Italiano. They built pyramids aligned with constellations, created calendars that tracked celestial cycles with impossible precision, and spoke of gods who descended from the heavens, sharing wisdom that could shape worlds. But somewhere along the way, this connection was severed. This profound knowledge was deemed dangerous, heretical, and was systematically hidden, fragmented, and buried. We were taught to see ourselves as small, insignificant beings in a cold, random universe. We became disconnected from nature, from each other, and most importantly, from the divine power that resides within each of us. The library of our collective soul was locked, and the key was thrown away. We traded our cosmic birthright for a world of limitation, fear, and separation. We feel this loss every day in our anxieties, our search for meaning, and the quiet sense that we are capable of so much more. The problem isn't that the knowledge is gone, it's that we've forgotten how to read the map. But what if I told you the map isn't in some lost ark or buried scroll? The map is within you. The forbidden knowledge was never truly destroyed. It was encoded into our very DNA, waiting for us to reawaken it. Unlocking this power doesn't require a dangerous quest. It requires a journey inward. Here are 3 steps, 3 keys to unlock the hidden teachings and reclaim your divine potential. The first key is what the ancients called the silent observer. Our minds are constantly racing, filled with the noise of the outside world. This noise is a barrier, a static that blocks the subtle frequency of the universe. To find the silent observer, you must practice stillness. Start with just 5 minutes a day. Find a quiet space. Close your eyes and simply breathe. Don't try to stop your thoughts. Just watch them, like clouds passing in the sky. Notice them without judgment. In the space between those thoughts, you will find a profound silence. This is the doorway. It is in this quiet chamber of the mind that the whispers of the cosmos can finally be heard. This is the foundation upon which all other wisdom is built. The second key is harmonic resonance. The universe is not silent. It's a symphony of vibrations. Every star, every planet, every living thing has its own unique frequency. The ancients knew that by attuning our own frequency, we could harmonize with the universe and influence reality. You can practice this through sound and intention. The simplest way is through chanting or humming. The sound Om, for instance, is considered the primordial vibration of creation. As you hum, feel the vibration resonate through your chest and your entire body. While you do this, hold a clear, positive intention in your mind. Imagine what you want to create: peace, abundance, or clarity. You are not just making a sound. You are tuning your entire being to the frequency of your desire, sending a clear signal into the cosmic web. You are becoming a conscious creator. The third and most powerful key is the dream weaver. Our ancestors didn't see dreams as random neural firings. They saw the dream state as a bridge to other dimensions, a sacred space where the soul could communicate directly with the source. This is where you can actively rewrite your reality. Before you sleep, set a clear intention for what you wish to understand or solve. Doubly write down. As you drift off, visualize yourself receiving the answer. This practice, known as lucid dreaming or conscious dreaming, allows you to become the architect of your inner world. In the dream space, you can confront fears, receive guidance, and plant the seeds of your desired future. The lessons you learn in the dream world will begin to manifest in your waking life. You are not just sleeping. You are accessing the divine blueprint. By practicing these 3 steps, the silent observer, harmonic resonance, and the dreamweaver, you begin a profound transformation. The world no longer feels random or chaotic. You start to see the patterns, the synchronicities, the intricate dance of cause and effect. The feeling of being small and separate dissolves, replaced by a deep sense of connection to all things. You realize that the gods of old were not external beings to be worshipped, but reflections of the limitless potential that has been inside you all along. This knowledge wasn't forbidden because it was evil. It was forbidden because it is empowering. It returns sovereignty to the individual. It reminds you that you are not just a drop in the ocean. You are the entire ocean in a drop. You are the keeper of the flame, the heir to a lost legacy. The library is unlocked. The hidden teachings are now yours to explore. The universe is not just around you. It is within you, waiting to be commanded. The journey doesn't end here. It has just begun. Thank you for joining me on this exploration into the heart of mystery. If this journey resonated with you, please like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the forgotten wisdom of our ancestors. What will you create with this newfound knowledge?